Top it off, unveiling the phrase in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might have heard in conversations. Top it off. We'll explore what it means, how you can use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. So, let's get started and add another expression to your growing English vocabulary. When you hear someone say, top it off, they could be talking about one of two things. Primarily, it means to fill something up completely, usually a container or a glass, until it's as full as possible. It comes from the idea of adding just enough to reach the top. But there's a figurative meaning too. It can also mean to finish something with a final addition that completes it or makes it perfect. Think of it as the cherry on top of a sundae that makes it just right. Now that we know what top it off means, let's see how to use it in sentences. For the literal meaning, you might say, the waiter topped off my coffee without even asking. Can you top off the gas tank while you're at the station? For the figurative sense, it's often used to describe an action or event that comes at the end of a series, especially if it's surprising or makes the situation better or worse. We had a great day at the park, and to top it off, we found $20 on the ground. It was a tough week, and to top it off, I got a flat tire on my way home. Top it off is versatile and can be heard in various contexts. Some of the common ones include restaurants or bars, when you want your drink refilled, service stations, when filling up your vehicle with fuel, conversations about a series of events, when summarizing the final event in a list. Understanding the context is key to using this phrase correctly, so always pay attention to the situation at hand. That wraps up our journey with the phrase, top it off. Whether you're finishing a drink or capping off an experience with a final touch, now you know just how to express it in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to top off your learning every day with new phrases like this one. Until next time, happy learning, and we hope this video has been a valuable addition to your English toolkit.